if you let me. Baby, I'm ready when you're ready. Ready when you're ready, babe. When I touch down in your city, know you on your way to get me. Boy, I'm ready when you're ready, babe. I'm ready when you're ready. Tell me in the shorts, I just wanna be sure.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by MarchQueen. Now, they did send me these bundles, and let me tell you, this hair thus far is so freaking gorgeous. I will come back and give you guys an update, either if not on YouTube, on Instagram. So be sure to follow me on Instagram. I'll have all that information linked down below.
So I want to start this video off showing you guys how MarchQueen hair comes packaged. You do receive your hair in this nice little zip baggie, and you get 3 flexi rods, a manual about MarchQueen hair and their social media outlets. And this is how my closure in my bundles came packaged. Nothing fancy at all. I did receive a 16-inch closure and 3 16-inch bundles. This is how the hair looks in its original state. And it is processed hair, as you can tell, because once I washed it, this is how the hair fell. Nice loose waves, but I do think the natural texture is gorgeous. So let's get right into this makeup look. I'm starting off by moisturizing my skin, very essential. And then off camera, I applied my primer and I did my eyebrows. I will do an updated eyebrow tutorial. If you guys want to see that, please thumbs up this video and let me know down below. So I just simply prime my eyelids using a concealer, and I set it with powder. And I'm going into Kathleen Light's ColourPop collab, and I'm applying this peachy shade to my brow bone. I will leave all the products that I'm using in the description box in the chronological order that I use them in. So I'm going into my crease with this nice bricky brown orangey shade. And then on my lid, I'm distributing this gorgeous true, oh my gosh, this color is so true to rose gold. It is so gorgeous. So thumbs up if you guys want to see more makeup tutorials. Now I'm applying this pretty red shade into my crease, and then I'm blending it out. Then I'm going in and doing my wing liner. I make it look so simple, but oh my gosh, wing liner can be the struggle when you're using a liquid eyeliner. Also, let me know down below any kind of makeup related videos you want to see. I'm going to be doing a lot more makeup related videos this year, so I want to know what you guys want to see. So off camera, I applied my eyelashes, and yes, these eyelashes are bomb. So lately, I have been liking a more lighter foundation application. I still love a full coverage, but the way I apply my foundation is by putting a little bit at a time and like smoothing it out. That way I use less product. Less product is so much better for your skin. So I'm going into my 2 favorite concealers by Wet n Wild, and I'm just, highlighting. And highlighting is essential to bringing back that life into your skin after you apply your foundation. So do not skip this step. So now I'm using my Real Techniques mini beauty blender sponge, and this is so good if you want a really precise beat makeup look. So I definitely recommend this. And I'm setting my eye with a drugstore banana powder. I will have a review coming up on this powder. I'm going to contour with my NYX contour palette, and this shade is like the perfect gray undertone for contouring on medium to dark skin complexions. Snatch that nose, yes, snatch that forehead. So I'm lightly applying my Black Radiance powder to my face, and I like to go very light on my powder here lately. And using that same red shade, I'm just going to smoke out my bottom waterline. And I'm also applying that brown shade to deepen it up a bit. And of course, we can't skip highlighting our inner tear duct, right? Now I'm just lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner, and I'm going in with a NYX Butter Gloss just for a natural lip. I'm sure one of everyone's favorite part to their makeup is highlighting, because we want to glow, right? Yes. So I'm just using my Anastasia's Peach Nectar highlighter, and this is so gorgeous, and it complements the rose gold eye perfectly. So here is my completed makeup look. Once again, don't forget to thumbs up this video and let me know down below if you want to see more makeup tutorials and get ready with me. This is MarchQueen's hair in its natural state. The only thing I have done to it at this moment is wash the hair and then make a wig. So now I'm cutting in layers into the front, because you know your girl loves a side swoop bang. So I just wanted to have a nice human hair wig with a bomb layered bang. So that's what I'm doing right now. So remember to use your shears when layering your hair and cut in a downward motion. This helps the layers look way more natural and not choppy. Now I'm just simply going in with my flat iron and bumping it, giving it some nice loose curls in the front for that feathered bang effect. I did receive a good amount of shedding with this hair, but keep in mind I did do the hot glue gun method when constructing this wig, so I did cut my wefts. Other than that, oh my gosh, no tangles. This 16 inches falls on me perfectly. It's just a beautiful luster, a beautiful texture, and I can't wait to play in this hair even more. So if you guys want to see an update on this hair, maybe after like 3 to 4 weeks of wear, let me know and I will do that for you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out MarchQueen hair, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Think I'm just somebody thirsty for another dollar just so you could say I owe it to you.